Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix not enough stories in CapCut Upscaler. So whenever you're using the CapCut Upscaler, if this kind of message pop up, could not upload, your space is almost full, expand your space stories and try again. This problem can be solved by simply freeing up your stories. In that case, what you have to do is go to New tab. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in capcut.com, press enter. Now you can see over here CapCut has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At left you'll be able to find the option for spaces, so simply go to your space. Now you can see over here your space will be opened up. Over here you'll be able to see all the materials that you've uploaded. So in order to free up the space, what you have to do is delete the materials that you do not need anymore. So simply hover over that media. At top left corner you'll be able to find the box. Simply check on it. Likewise, select other medias as well. Now after you select the medias, what you have to do is click on this option, move to trash. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply click on the option confirm. Now you can see over here it will be moved to trash. Now you can see over here your storage has been freed. Now after the storage has been freed up, your problem will be solved and you'll be able to use the CapCut Upscaler. So that is how you fix not enough storage in CapCut Upscaler. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.